I'm trying to get in my house, right? And this damn bird won't let me get in. Oh, it's coming. I don't want to open my door because then the bird won't fly. It's coming. It's going to fly in my house. But it won't move. It's coming. But every time I go near it, the shit try to come get me. It almost got me. Oh my goodness, this fuck ass bird. Listen. Yo, this shit here. And I know y'all. The fucking bird won't move. Shit. Man, I want to. Oh my goodness, I just want this fucking bird to move out of here. Like, why is he even. It's coming. It got. All right. It flew. All right, I'm going in the house now.